Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, welcome. My name's Stephanie. I'm known as the Opinionated Horsewoman. Y'all, it's finally time. I've had this for kind of a while. I get stuff sent to my P.O. box. I can't get to my P.O. box at all during the week right now. So I'm only picking it up on the weekends. So I probably had this almost 2 weeks. This is my October BOXYCHARM by Ipsy. And if y'all remember, I decided to burn up a bunch of my Ipsy points. And so this thing should be crammed full of a bunch of little extras. And they're all going to be little sample-y sized items, but she is heavy. So there's definitely some stuff in here. So let's go see. I don't even remember everything I got. I don't remember really much about it. It's been that long, which is fine. It's more fun that way. I like being surprised. So again, it is BOXYCHARM by Ipsy. So let's cover it up. Oh my God, it's full of stuff. And that's all due to my points, plus the box, of course. So, of course, this is going to be, Halloween themed. So, October BOXYCHARM Beauty Nightmares. Ooh, that's not good. Dark Glam Creator TikTok hasn't told you about, blah, 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 blah. Cute on the front. A little bit on the back. And then there should be a little bit of info about some of the items in the box in here. Beauty Nightmares, Scary Haircuts, blah, blah, blah. Spellbinding Looks. QR code to scan. All that stuff. Honestly, I don't know. These are okay. And I see I have a bug flying around, so that'll be fun. All right, let's get into it. Some of this stuff, you guys, is just add-on, like points burning, and some of this stuff is from the box, like my choices, or their choices for me. There's that bug. I don't remember anymore. I believe this is Volition Overnight Retinol Serum, 1.1 ounce. I can already feel that it feels to me like it is in a glass bottle, which is great. A little bit higher end feel to it. Let's go ahead, pry open the box and see what this looks like. Yep. Wow, that's nice. Okay, definitely in a glass bottle. It's got a neat little pump on it. So you're going to squeeze this. It's going to suck something into the dropper on it. All that good stuff. It's an overnight retinol serum, 1.1 ounces or 35 milliliters. It's got the leaping bunny on it. Let's just see what it says on the box. Pretty tiny text. Grape seeds are fundamental to the fermentation of red wines, but are thrown away during the vinification process for white wines. These grape seeds are extremely concentrated in antioxidant compounds called polyphenols, which neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, the main causes for premature aging. Let's see here. That's their discovery. And then let's talk about innovation. This serum combines the antioxidant power of grapeseed with an encapsulated retinol, which means it shouldn't irritate the skin, and vegan hyaluronic acid to promote a three-pronged defense against premature aging. Polyphenol-rich grapeseed helps protect the skin against oxidation. Retinol, stabilized by patented encapsulation process, is gradually released for prolonged efficacy with less irritation to reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid delivers a burst of moisture and a visible plumping effect for smoother, firmer-looking skin. How to use? Apply to your entire face and neck, décolletage after cleansing. Gradually build up to everyday use. That's, of course, because of the retinol. However, with it being encapsulated, it should not be that irritating. We'll see. Use SPF protection during the day, as a retinol may increase the skin's sensitivity to the sun for external purposes only. Yeah, so I don't recommend you using a retinol serum in the morning. This would be, for me, a night thing only. Retinols, like they're saying already in here, don't wear a retinol and then go out in the sun. I just don't do it. It's a night serum, so that's nice. All right. I think these are the things I got in my points. This is a 1 ounce Ole Henriksen. It's called Transform. Dewtopia 20% acid night treatment. Overhauls texture, reduces the look of dark pores, dark spots, pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. Okay. If I remember, a lot of the stuff that was in the points thing was like an ounce or so. I don't remember, you guys. I'm sorry. It's been a very strange month for me. So this looks nice. 100, or it's like 10% alpha hydroxy acids, 10% PHAs, and lemon enzyme. So that is what it looks like. I guess they had colored it yellow because they're saying there's lemon enzymes in there. Let's see what else they have to say. A lot of text in the box. Okay, at night, apply evenly to face and neck for external use only. Use as directed, blah, blah, blah. There is an alert on here. Alert. This product contains an alpha hydroxy acid that may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun and particularly the possibility of sunburn. Use a sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and limit exposure while using this product. And for a week afterward, avoid eye areas. In case of contact with your eyes, rinse immediately. Keep out of the reach of children. Yada, yada, yada. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so another night serum. I don't know that I put a bunch of alpha hydroxys together with a retinol, which is a derivative of vitamin A. I don't know. Maybe use them every other night. Okay, we got something else going on here. 94% natural vitamin C serum from Clara's, New York. Advanced, oh, it's vitamin E and C. 94% natural. Brightening, minimizes enlarged pores, corrects uneven skin tone for all skin types. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. It does say made in the USA. That's very nice. Directions are to apply a few drops of the serum into area, on a face and your neck. Massage gently in typing motions. External use only. Do not ingest. Yada, yada, yada. Now remember, vitamin C, it's another vitamin, great to enhance the effectiveness of your SPF, sun protective factor. Needs to be in a dark bottle. This is sort of dark, and probably pretty smart to have it refrigerated. So not real thrilled with the dropper because the minute you open this to the air, it immediately causes oxidization unless it has been balanced. I don't know if that's really the word I want to use, but you know, it's fine. It is what it is. Just plan on when you open it, use it. Use it up. I like the kind that are pumps that do not put air into the bottle. So whereas the inner bladder starts to squeeze as you pump it out as in a vacuum seal, but you know, that's expensive. So okay, so that's 3 items. I believe all were from points. Not sure that we're done with that yet. Oh gosh, there's so much more in here, you guys. Okay, this has got to be a points thing. Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream, 8 milliliters or 27 ounces. This is definitely a points thing. I don't know about the other stuff. Now I'm confused. I mean, small like this, several hundred points. I don't know. There was various levels of points. This is called Feel Probiotic Moisturizer. It is half an ounce or 15 milliliters. See, these feel like points items. For sure, because they're tiny. They're itty bitties. I would expect to see that in like a Macy's beauty box or like Ipsy's base level glam bag. Ipsy ain't gonna just give you everything really nice for free. I just want to show you this. This is how it came out because it was being slammed around by all the stuff in the box. It's kind of smashed up. This is, I believe, this is blush tape, liquid blush. And the color is pink. Yeah, this is from Tarte. It's kind of like their shape tape. This is blush tape. That's what it's going to look like in the color pink. Poor box, honestly, got pretty badly abused. Almost too far gone, but we're going to try putting her back together. I got a whole bunch of blushes and stuff right now. Not a big fan of liquid blushes, but that's just because I'm scared of them. So we'll see if I use that or not. But I can't remember if that was a points thing or a choice thing. Honestly, I'm just going to keep saying it, guys. I don't really remember. So that's maybe we just use the laptop to kind of point out all the little goodies. A lot more in here. Yay for points. Okay, this is 8 Saints Up the Anti-Aging Night Cream. Let's see, 0.5 ounces or 15 milliliters. Yet again, another itty bitty. There's a 20% discount on a full-size product by scanning the QR code. I'll show it to you guys. That's on you if you want to scan that QR code. I am not a fan of QR codes. They are a hacker's dream. Okay, so this is an anti-aging night cream. Of course, it's white text. We're upping the ante on the quest for perfect skin. Niacinamide, which I'm a fan of. A form of vitamin B3, yes, niacinamide. Increases production of ceramides, elastin, and keratin to firm and smooth skin while preventing wrinkles, while trying to prevent wrinkles. Peptides increase collagen production, and hyaluronic acid helps lock in moisture so that you wake up vibrant skin and a plump, smooth, and hydrated. Okay, well, I'll use that. That'll get used up fairly quickly. It's half an ounce, 15 milliliters. We'll just keep, I don't know, we'll keep going. I think we're getting into, I think this might have been part of the box. Now we're getting into stuff. Okay, I got this actually. This is a choice, and I got it for a friend of mine. Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. So she's a cancer survivor, and I don't know if you've ever gone through or know anybody that's gone through chemo and radiation. They can have neuropathy issues. You can get tingling and burning in like your extremities. So she told me this was always really helpful. I saw this was one of my choices, and I said, yep, I'll take that. Give it to her. So it's a nice product. Rave reviews from her. Okay, so here's one from Ciate London. Dewy Skin Glass Glow Skin Tint. I'm guessing this is a liquid that you add into like your moisturizer, foundation, whatever. We'll see. Glass Glow Skin Tint. It's interesting. It's very shiny, but it is all just plastic. I'll show you the Leaping Bunny. It's about time the cosmetic industry, more and more of them are going cruelty-free. I'm not even going to try to read it, you guys, because, you know, it's white text on like a light peach backdrop, and with my ring light, that's a no. Just going to strain my eyes. How to use, apply, blah, blah, and then it's hard to read, but we're getting there. Very reflective. What else we got? Something big and heavy. Oh, and there's more behind it. Here's another itty bitty. What is this? Oh, it's a Purlisse. It's an itty bitty from Purlisse. It is a Juicy Tint Lip Nourisher, agave and mango butter. I think I saw the mango and went, sure, I love mango. But that is a points add-on. So another little itty bitty in there. Oops, things are going flying. Okay, we'll just shove them back, put it there. Okay, this is heavy and smashed up a little. Got the Leaping Bunny on here. In Beauty Project. Keep It Clean Hydrating Gel Cleanser washes away makeup, dirt, debris without stripping the skin, hydrates, smooths, and strengthens. It is infused with ceramides, 10 amino acids, and vegan collagen. Ophthalmologist tested, safe for eyes and contact lens wearers. So that's the box. Let's just not worry about the box. Ooh, it is definitely kind of a gel. The bubble doesn't move all that quickly. Let's watch the bubble moving. So it's a thick gel. Keep It Clean Hydrating Gel from In Beauty Project. Okay, that's what it looks like. It's a cleanser. I'll use a cleanser. It's a makeup remover, really. I'll use that. It's interesting that these are already pointed down. Like, shouldn't the brand put the product in and then point these down and then do that? Or is that what we do when we've already opened it, pulled the product out, put it back in the box? Huh. See, I told you guys it's heavy, because that's heavy. Okay, the last item I'm so excited for. But we do have, this is our packing material. Just want to show. It's our token item, our token packing material. Woohoo! I picked this. One of my favorite drag queens, Kimchi. I wanted to try this. This is a Kimchi Chic Set and Bake Powder. Puff, Puff, Pass. Okay. Looks like there is a little bit of a, let's call it tape. Safety seal, whatever. A seal for the box. All right, come on. Okay, there's a little info in here. Set your makeup with this gorgeous fine powder to ensure all-day slayage even when you cry. All right, cool. Girl, kimchi. We love me some kimchi. Kimchi is a drag queen of Korean heritage, hence the reference to her favorite food, kimchi. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, peg-free, phthalate-free, sulfate-free, synthetic fragrance-free, and vegan. And there's the color. I did get translucent. I just want to show you guys how cute the packaging is. Look at how nicely that is kimchi. Very nicely done. There she is. Again, drag queen, very well known. If you ever watch RuPaul's Drag Race, you should be familiar with kimchi. We're going to go ahead and get right into this because, yes, please. Okay, kimchi's signature puff, puff, puff. And, oh, good, I'm glad to see it. It's all the little circles. It's got a little safety tape on it to keep the powder in, but I'm just saying, y'all, it's a pretty, pretty heart. So I'm eager to try this. I'll be trying this next week. Yeah, I've heard nice things about it, so I will be using it. I have 2 other setting powders that I'm kind of on, so they're not great. So I'm definitely willing to try that. So that's the box, y'all. Okay, so we had kimchi's. I believe that was a choice for me. This was a choice for sure. Again, I'm going to be gifting that to a friend who's a cancer survivor. We've got the Keep It Clean Hydrating Gel Cleanser. We do have the Ciate London Glass Glow Skin Tint. So we got a little skincare, we got a little makeup, a little bit of everything. And then I'm pretty sure a lot of this stuff, y'all, I think this one was part of the original box. This is the Tarte blush tape. We got a little smashy. And then I think all the rest of this is points. So this is a Volition. And we had the Ole Henriksen. And we had the Clara's New York Vitamin E and C. And 8 Saints Up the Ante. And then we had the little itty bitties. We had, ooh, hello. This Feel Probiotic Moisturizer. This will get used up easily because it's tiny. This Purlisse Lip Nourisher. Tiny, very quick and easy. Won't take as long to use that because it is just for your lips. It'll be a little bit, goes a long way. And then this is Saturday Skin, another, it says Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. So a little something to go under the eyes. Vitamin C. So yeah, I think that's all on my points because my plan was to cancel. I have till the end of this month to cancel, but I'm temping right now. I have interviewed at a potential full-time position, which would be like permanent hire, which is exciting. So we'll see where this all goes. I got a little bit of time before I need to cancel. I'm glad I burned up my points, honestly. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are, you guys. Kind of a big month for me for BOXYCHARM by Ipsy because I was burning up a ton of points. I would love to hear what your thoughts are on this and the box, the extras, all that good stuff. Yeah, appreciate your time so much, guys. Hope things are going well for you. Check out my Ice Cream Beauty and my Macy's unboxings. Recently had a Walmart. I think it's been a couple weeks ago at a Walmart Beauty that's quarterly. So yeah, pretty good fun stuff. So again, let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments. Can you also double check, make sure you are subscribed? YouTube's doing their thing. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a great one. I will see you all on my next video. Bye, guys.